Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Sunday, 28th August 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UK. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT is 47.61 and with VAT is 57.13. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 43.71 and with VAT is 52.45. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 41.66 and with VAT is 49.99. 18 carats gold 1 gram price is 35.71 without VAT and with VAT is 42.85. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 27.85 and with VAT is 33.42. 10 carats gold without VAT price is 119.85 and with VAT is 23.82. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 11.90 and with VAT is 14.28. Remember that the VAT rate in the UK is 20% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.